How to redeem Roblox gift card on mobile. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Google Chrome browser on your device because this is not possible via Roblox app. So let's tap on the search bar on the browser and search for roblox.com/redeem. So this should be the URL that you need to use in order to redeem the code. And what you simply need to do is make sure that you're logged into your account over here. So you can simply tap on it and enter your user ID or email over here and simply select your account. Now as you do that, you'll be able to log into your account over here. So make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and if you don't have a stable Wi-Fi connection, you can simply switch to a cellular data as well. Now, after you have logged into your account over here and verified yourself, you'll be landing on a new page. So let's wait until it loads up to the another page. So let's just verify ourselves yet again. And as we do that, we'll be able to sign in to our Roblox account. So here, what you can simply do is enter the code over here that we have in order to redeem the Roblox gift card. And as you do that, you can simply tap on redeem and you will be able to redeem the Roblox gift card on your mobile. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.